In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can change your PIN in Revolut. It's actually quite straightforward, so let's dive right in. So when you want to change your Revolut card PIN, you can conveniently do so at most ATMs that provide PIN services and accept Visa or MasterCard. But it's important to keep in mind that certain countries might not have ATMs that support PIN change services. So if you ever find yourself in one of these countries, it's a good idea to choose a location where these services are available when planning to change your PIN. Now, let's get into the details on how you can change it. To initiate the process, locate a supported ATM and insert your Revolut card. Then go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts, which typically involve entering your current PIN and then setting a new one. So I just want to add that the specific steps might vary a bit depending on the ATM, but overall the process is usually quite straightforward. Now, if you find yourself in a country where ATMs don't support PIN changes, you can explore alternative options within the Revolut app. And that's it. By being aware of the countries where ATM PIN change services might be limited and knowing the alternative methods available within the Revolut app, you can effectively manage your card's PIN to ensure security and accessibility. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.